All across Huntsville ISD, we know our students are capable. We know we have strong teachers, dedicated campuses, and a community that believes in our kids. But we also know this: academically, we are not where we want to be.
It's no secret that our district has had some disappointing accountability scores. And the very definition of insanity would be for this district to keep doing the same thing and expecting different results.
The students deserve it, whether it's kindergarten or 12th grade. The students deserve better.
It's a good idea for our district to go ahead and start making those changes right now.
Beginning in August 2026, Huntsville ISD will implement Bluebonnet Learning, a state-developed curriculum aligned to the Texas standards our students are expected to master. For teachers, this means moving away from a system where they often have to pull from many different sources and toward a more consistent, complete set of instructional materials.
Yeah, I think with that, the different situation is we would just give them the guidelines, or just in this unit, you need to cover this. Okay, now you're using our resource, like the resources we have gathered, all 20,000 resources we had, and we're compiling it into a lesson plan. But one school's lesson plan did not look like another school's lesson plan. So they might be teaching the same standards, but they weren't teaching the same standards. And so now going to Bluebonnet, we're all doing the same thing. I could go from Scott Johnson to Stewart to HES to Samuel Walker, and I know if I walk into a kindergarten English class, we're on the same lesson. We're doing the same thing, and I'm expecting the same outcome. I'm expecting the same words. I'm expecting the same lesson activities. And I think that's just so powerful to be able to go from campus to campus and see that and know that every student in our district is getting a high quality education.
For teachers and students to be successful, coherence within our instructional framework matters. Bluebonnet Learning helps provide that structure through clear, consistent, and rigorous TEKS-aligned materials that support equitable instruction for students across the district.
Well, they really thought through some of these pieces, and they really started to think about how math, in my case, fits together.
So I feel like that's something that I noticed right away with Bluebonnet, that there is really good documentation and explanation, the scriptedness, right? But that doesn't mean you have to say exactly that. But if you don't know what you're going to say, you could go with that script.
But this is not a small change, and our teachers and instructional leaders have been honest about that.
I won't lie, it's going to be a heavy lift.
Some had heard concerns online.
I do see why people are leery to do it. I was leery about it until I started coming to the meetings.
Some wondered how difficult the shift would be.
We all have had our comfort zones in our content areas. You know, we have our slides set up, we have our tests set up, and so this is going to be a big change for everyone involved.
The goal is not to pretend this will be easy. The goal is to ask the right question. What do our students need, and what do our teachers need in order to help them get there?
You can't expect change if you keep doing the same thing over and over.
For Huntsville ISD, the answer is clear. We owe our students strong instruction, we owe our teachers strong support, and we owe our campuses a focused plan for improvement. Huntsville ISD is not waiting until the last minute.
This is not just, hey everybody, we bought this, here you go. No, they've gone already to do the homework for us, to do the exploration, to do the asking the questions, to see where it's working in the places that's already being used.
Our Bluebonnet Guiding Coalition began meeting in February 2026, 6 months before implementation.
One of the things the district is wisely doing is they have created a guiding coalition for Bluebonnet Learning. And it is a group of stakeholders, so teachers and staff that are going to be supporting this effort. And they've introduced us to the material, told us the whys and everything behind the decision. And it is really nice to be able to, touch the materials and see what it's like, see the teacher editions.
The district has also worked closely with the Education Service Center Region 6 and has offered optional after-school Bluebonnet trainings and workshops for teachers, with teachers paid for their time.
Teachers are invited to come in and paid to come in to learn about what the curriculum is, get their hands on it, to learn about what internalization is, to learn what materials are going to be used, and then to learn how to make this a whole cohesive product.
Huntsville ISD is also being resourceful in supporting this work. Through the state's LIFT grant, we are receiving funding to help with Bluebonnet Learning implementation, including professional learning, instructional coaching, and leadership development. This support helps ensure our teachers are prepared and equipped to deliver this curriculum effectively for students. No curriculum replaces the teacher, but strong curriculum can support great teaching.
You still have the autonomy of the art of teaching. Bluebonnet is giving you what to teach. As a PLC, you collectively agree on how you're going to teach it. As a teacher, you have strengths. You know your students. When you're in the classroom, that's where the art of teaching takes place, and the different questions that you ask the students, the different groupings you may have your students, the way that you know each and every student's strengths and weaknesses. There's an art of that cannot be replicated from one person to another.
Bluebonnet Learning gives teachers a common foundation, it gives campuses a shared language, and it gives the district a more focused path forward.
Bluebonnet is definitely higher level learning, absolutely.
But this will take work, it will take patience, it will take support.
If there is a point in time to try something that is aligned with the state, I feel like right now is the time. Our district is very beloved. I am a Hornet. I was born and raised here in Huntsville, graduated from Huntsville High School.
I think we can all agree that it is time for a change, and this could be a positive change. I hope everybody keeps an open mind about it, because if we're not positive, or at least willing to try and give it our full effort, then we know we'll fail.
The people on the fence, I would say, what are you doing on the fence? The fence is for somebody who's looking and they're not in. Come on in, jump in. Come and be part of this. Be part of the team. We're a PLC community. We're together. Don't close your door, neighbor. Don't stay by yourself. Don't be an island. Come and let's do this together. Let's work together.